All right, everybody, welcome to the free video. And this is for Tuesday, April 18th. Market is closed. Tomorrow is Wednesday, April 19th. So SPX day, really kind of a choppy, weird day. We got a little bit of a gap up. We went down, we were up 20, down 10, and we ended the day down 3, or up 3. A lot of people were hurry up and wait mode for Netflix, and initially, bears were super excited. We got to 292, and then we bounced hard. In the room today, we did an at-the-money iron fly, so if we do open up here, that'll be perfect. Of course, a lot can happen between now and the open, but we'll see. A couple things that I'm going to be looking at. Well, let's look at the NASDAQ futures here since they've reopened. Again, NASDAQ futures today also started off strong. From an intraday perspective, they were pretty lame. In fact, here, let's bring over some intraday action here. SPX, gapped up, basically puked, traded sideways with a small burp into the close. NDX, very similar. A little more hardcore because the NASDAQ was so strong in the open. So strong, up well over 100 points. Came all the way down, just traded sideways. Microsoft basically mimicked that move. While, in fact, a little bit worse than that, while Apple was able to, although it started strong, was able to kind of hold it together and did not fill the gap and close, not at the highs, but certainly held on pretty good. So overall, kind of a weird day. Something I would just say like, yeah, it must be monthly expiration week, and in fact, it is monthly expiration week. And so this kind of begs the question, what do we expect? What do we expect for Wednesday? And what I am going to be watching for, I think Netflix is going to be important. Of course, we've got Tesla earnings tomorrow. Netflix, the fact that it's kind of going higher a little bit here after hours can give the bears pause, and I do think we've got a bullish upward bias into this market right now, at least into the end of this week, and then we'll see. But Netflix traded as low as 290 after hours. Guess where that's the fire line right there, and then boom, we're right back up to this big old tree line. So that's one of the key things there. And then if we come over to a little bit shorter term here, and let's look at the SPX on a shorter term basis here. So this is like a 2-minute chart with the micro voodoo lines, and we got a 5-minute chart. You can see today, even though when it got ugly, what did it do? We gapped up. We gapped up into that upward Keltner channel. We came down to the 21 EMA 30, and we just kind of rode that up. In fact, it's still heading higher here. And so the idea that tomorrow we could actually come up and test 4175, and maybe later in the week 4200 to me is still the plan. For that to not work, I'd want to see something like, we've got some strong sectors out there. Energy has been super strong. If we look at something like ExxonMobil, it was up 2% today. So you've got some pockets of strength out there. I'm also watching Now, NOW. The stock has earnings next week. Had this weird gap down, and now is I'm watching to see, can it take out this high here this week, which was at 485. And so that's something I'm looking at into Friday. All right, so that's what we got for the short term. You guys have a great rest of the evening, and we'll see you at the next update.
Hey, John here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below and let us know what topic you want to see us cover next. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when we release new videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time using our own money, go to simplertrading.com and learn how to sign up. Good trading, and we'll see you next time.